Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to Electropixels. In today's video, we are going to attempt a repair on this Mi 43-inch Android LED TV which has a display problem. Friends, as we discussed earlier, these types of complaints are mainly caused by internal shorting in the gate signals inside the glass panel. The shorting may occur either on the left side or the right side of the glass panel. If the gate signals on both sides are shorted, then it becomes very difficult to repair. In that situation, panel replacement is the only solution. However, if the shorting occurs only on one side, we can try to repair it using the taping method. Please note that the taping method is only a temporary fix. The permanent solution is replacing the panel. Now let's take a closer look at this TV. This model comes with a full HD LG panel along with an LG T-Con board. Here you can see the gate signal tracks from both the left and right sides. So friends, let's try to fix this display problem using the taping method. First, we are going to block the right side gate signals. After blocking the right side, the problem still remains the same. So now let's try blocking the opposite side. As you can see, we tried the taping method on both sides of the glass panel, but the complaint is still not resolved. This means that both sides of the gate signals are shorted, and therefore panel replacement is the only solution for this TV. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Please like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get notifications for our upcoming videos.